everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you. And we're real lucky because Chef William stopped by today. Okay, William, I'm going to work on the avocado. I saw something somewhere I read online that said people that have to do a lot of these avocados, they use a glass like this. And I'm not sure if it works or not, so I wanted to try it today. Look at that. Apparently, like in a restaurant, they use a glass. Because I have to cut this up anyway, so I have to take it back out again. If you do this all the time, you'd get good at this, you know. I guess that really does work well. I would have an avocado tool, except for I did a review on it and threw it away because it didn't work worth a darn. That worked pretty good. I would say that's a good tip. Now I'm supposed to cut this up. I'm supposed to dice these up. I know people swing the knife into the nut to take it out, but to be honest with you, I'm not much for swinging a knife into my hand. I did see someone recommended online somewhere that if you're going to do that, you put a towel in your hand and then put the avocado on top and then hit the nut with a knife. So at least you're swinging it into the towel rather than your hand. Because I have friends that work at restaurants and they've cut themselves. So if you do it a lot, your odds of accidentally, I've nicked myself just a little bit, just like bumped it, but I've never cut myself bad. I've been lucky so far. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.